Okay, now this is a video for the BMW recall I was unaware of because I've never owned one until recently. Basically, the recall is for the PCV valve. It's the air ventilation valve. It's something like that. But basically, I tore my intake off because it was running, revving. It was acting funny, so I was like, something's going on with the intake. Took it off. I seen the purge valve. It's mounted onto the intake. You have to do a lot to take that off. So you have to undo the intake, obviously. You got to take the air duct out. You got to take the cover. There's a plastic cover that lays above the motor towards the wipers, and it's for the cabin air filter and stuff. Take all that off. Man, you gotta do a lot just to take that off. But it basically was a malfunction on the heater. It's like a little plastic piece that is around it, and it can catch fire for the recall. And they have another recall for the blower motor wiring. So those two. So I ended up putting it back together because I was looking up the part online and I seen recall and I was like, oh, hold on. Found out. So word of advice is to check and see if your car has any recalls when you get a new car or a used one, just in case, so you don't have to tear it apart. Because I had to put it back together and it took time. So basically, I have a 2006 BMW 325i. So mine was covered under warranty. You can go on Google. I did a VIN search before I called the dealership, and it said that popped up. And I called them, and they verified it. And then what you need to do next is set an appointment and see what day they can do it. And if you can't drive the car to them, then you're going to have it towed to them. And it's free of charge. They'll change the part, no questions asked. As long as you're within the warranty of whatever you are. If your car is within the recall. But that's about it. I would just want to let word of advice on the BMW if you do have one, because this one I have has 200 and something thousand miles, and I'm surprised it still runs the way the person treated it. And when I got it, it wouldn't start, so I did a little bit of work on it, and I got it running. It sounded good, and then when I went to go drive it, then it just kicked into that mode, and so it started acting weird, and I was like, oh, let me park it. Then I was like, oh, something's else going on. And it got down to me basically getting to that. But always check for recalls. Word of advice. Thank you for watching, and check out my other videos because I have how-to videos on my page. And if you want me to do a how-to video on anything that you have, or to explain how to do it if you can't figure it out, you can always message me. And thank you for watching.